didn't get much content this week. There's a lot of stuff going on once more. But I should be able to get some stuff this weekend. And, yeah. So I got a little bit of content, not much. I do apologize for the lack of content thereof, but...
Oh, is that you?
Cole, get in the vlog. Why not? Gary's getting the vlog.
Cole was playing with a fidget spinner in the hallway when I walked
Put it in my backpack. I want a fidget spinner.
No, Eric wasn't in. You gave it to me and then I threw it.
I didn't want it.
Yeah, I'm gonna start bringing fidget spinners.
I need a fidget spinner, literally.
Fidget spinner?
It was a fact. Yeah, that's what I need, guys.
Okay. Yeah, so like, subscribe, comment, and invest. Yeah. So I'll see you guys next Tuesday, I believe, which is the 8th. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you then.